the Storm Tracker Weather Center.
Yeah, and it's a quiet morning out there, especially from a visibility perspective. We had such an issue with dense fog yesterday, not the case this morning. Our St. Joseph East live weather bug camera and looking over across some traffic on the move. You can at least see it on the move. Clouds also on the move, and along with those clouds, though, we've had some sprinkles around, some light rain showers. It's nothing impressive, but it's just enough that you may have a little bit on your windshield this morning as you're driving. That won't be an issue later on today. So good news there. Let's get on to the future track, and you'll be able to see that we've got the potential for a pretty good setup for the next 2 days. We are warming it up big time. Problem is, on top of that, we'll have clouds hanging around. And eventually we're going to throw some rain into the mix. So the one big drawback to tomorrow, even though we could take a shot at record highs, we'll have an increasing chance for rain. You can see those scattered showers Thursday and then more widespread, potentially heavy rain into tomorrow night. And then behind that, Friday into Friday night, that spells trouble. That is pink. Y'all know what that means. That means the possibility of mixed precipitation, some freezing rain, some sleet, and then over to snow on the back end of it. That's your weekend. 39 in Covington, it's 45 in Lexington, 45 in Danville. We're above our average high. In this January warm spike, peaks tomorrow. We'll shoot for about 60 today. The forecast high tomorrow, 65 degrees. Our average high is 41. The record high tomorrow in Lexington in 2013 was 66 degrees. That's 1 degree shy of a record. That's how close we're going to be. And then all of a sudden, the bottom just drops out. We've got that heavy rain potential Thursday night into Friday. Friday, rain changing over to icy mix over to snow. Now, the huge question going into the weekend, and clearly it's going to get cold enough to keep it around, what falls? When does it fall? What kind of an impact it's going to have? Well, I do know we're going to have a significant Ohio Valley winter storm this weekend. Models have been waffling on the track, although they're starting to agree more so on this eastwardly track, which puts us more in the bullseye for accumulating snow. The concern here, though, is just how much we're going to see, how much moisture it taps into, how soon the changeover is. That is all still very much up in the air, but it does look like we will see accumulating ice over to possibly heavy snow, especially up across Ohio and as you head north and east. So it could be really interesting Friday night into Saturday. Still too early to put numbers on it, but just know that it could have the potential to be a very impactful storm early in the weekend. Now, I guess the one good thing is at least it's not during the school week, but I tell you what, with as cold as it's going to be, whatever comes down could linger through the weekend into early next week as far as the overall impact. Showers, breezy, much warmer. Temperatures around 60 today, low 50s tonight. Incredibly warm, windy. Look at the high tomorrow, mid-60s. We could drop from 65 to 26 between Thursday and Friday, the high to the high. Then you get into the overnight lows, teens, single digits, back into that Arctic deep freeze again. So, yeah, this is a brief, balmy interlude between, just absolutely frozen situations here that we've just gotten out of and one that we're heading into the weekend. Of course, we'll have much more on that snow chance Friday night into Saturday morning as we go through the rest of the day and the rest of the week.